This is our 1975 Camaro. Is it a sin that is a Restomod? It's a Restomod 75 Camaro because it does not have the original engine. We're gonna talk about it later, but let's talk about the 75 Camaros. So they had three engine options in 1975. You had the 6-cylinder and the 2 version of the 350 with a 155 horsepower. So it wasn't that much. The new thing was in 75. They had the new badge design, the tricolor Camaro badge, which there isn't on this car anymore, but it was in here. That was new, and also they lost the Z28 package by 1975, and this car was done to as a bumblebee in the Transformers movie, which was a 77 by the way. So let's have a look at the engine bay. This is where it gets tricky. So this is a UZ engine from Japan, and this is a 4-liter 290 horsepower engine. As you can see, it's the Coilum package. It's a direct injected one. This is the VVTi version of that engine, because you can tell from this, and it's very similar to the 3UZ Toyota engine, but it's not, because the 3UZ oil filler is much longer than this. This is the first generation of the last VVTi. That's how I think I can summarize it. But if it's connected to the original transmission, this is a 5-speed transmission. In that sense, you got twice as much horsepower than in 1975. Toyota engines are very reliable, and also because we are in Thailand, this one can be serviced basically anywhere, anytime, because Thai people knows this engine. Thai mechanics very good at fixing this stuff. In 1975 was only 2 models was offered, the Sport Coupe and the Type LT. Again, we don't know which one is this one, because if it's an LT, it's supposed to be here. Luxury Touring, the LT, and the base model. There were no other models in 1975.
Open that switch.
Yeah.
Flick the switch on.
Ooh.
Yeah. Now foot on the brake and press the red button.
This is pretty much my first time I ever been in a 70s Camaro. Okay, so we're not gonna do a traditional review. I just how it feels. Boy, this is cool, this car, isn't it? I mean, it drives very smooth, and the Japanese engine definitely feels stronger. Nothing loose. It's very tight drive. Yeah, it's power steering, that's for sure. Well, let's see how it goes. Definitely good. I like it. Yeah, this is the classic shape of a sports car, which we all love about classic American cars. The long nose, the microscopic boot. Even if it's a 75, it still got the look. And you can make it as powerful as you want to. So is it a sin that is a Restomod? I don't think so. I think this is a perfect match for Thailand. See you next time, everybody.